Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand your login options. Pinterest now allows you to sign in using your phone number, Google account, or Facebook account instead of requiring an email address. This gives you flexibility if you don't have an email or prefer not to use one. Step 2. Choose your preferred authentication method. Decide whether you want to use your phone number for a quick sign-up, connect your Google account for seamless access, or link your Facebook profile. Each method has its own benefits depending on what you're most comfortable with. Step 3. Download the Pinterest app or visit the website. You can do this on your mobile device or desktop computer. The process works the same way on both platforms, so pick whichever is most convenient for you right now. Step 4. Select the alternative login option at the sign-up screen. Look for buttons that say Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, or Sign up with phone number. Don't click the email field because we're avoiding that entirely. Step 5. Complete verification and confirm your identity. Follow any prompts to verify your phone number with a code or authenticate through your social media account. Once verified, you'll gain full access to your Pinterest account without ever needing an email address.